Most of the insurance will cover at least the initial phase of the gum treatment, such as deep cleaning. But again, the best thing to do is, depending on your insurance, you can check your policy with the insurance company or the provider, whether it's your regular dentist or periodontist. We can contact the insurance company, get pre-authorization either on the phone or in writing, so you know ahead of time what is your portion, the copayment that you have to pay, and how much the insurance will pay. Again, they may pay for surgical treatment as well, but how much they pay depends on the adjuster, depending on your insurance company. We can put our regular fee and submit it to insurance company. That doesn't mean anything because the adjuster will decide, like exactly when you are in a car accident and the car damage, the adjuster will come and determine how much the insurance will pay. So that's something that every policy, every insurance varies.